Hi guys, Anita here and welcome to Anita's Cake Bakery. On today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make edible glue. It's super easy to make, it's cost effective and you only need 2 ingredients. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so you need half a teaspoon of your Tylo powder and a 1/4 cup of warm water. Okay, so you need half a teaspoon of Tylo powder, I'm using a toothpick just to level off the powder. And you add the powder to your 1/4 cup of water, making sure it's warm water. Then you just mix the two together. At this point, the mix will look slightly curdly or clumpy, but continue mixing. It does resemble wallpaper paste as well, but don't worry because eventually it will all dissolve into itself. So what I tend to do is leave it overnight, or you can leave it for around 6 hours, 4 to 6 hours, and you should end up with this lovely mixture here. It's smooth, no clumps, and it's perfect for your projects. So what you can do is pour this mix into a jar, or you could have mixed it in the jar in the first place, to be honest. Pour it into a jar, then you can just shake it. You can just give it a little bit of a shake, just to make sure that it combines. Because it's in quite a tall jar, I've got a long cocktail stick just to mix it along there. As you can see, there are clumps in there. It does look like it's curdled, it does look a little bit like wallpaper paste, but don't worry because those clumps will eventually disappear. So I hope this video has helped you and you'll no longer need to buy your edible glue. Make it yourself, it's so easy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. For future videos, make sure to subscribe, and to get notified, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.